Hello sweeties, welcome back. It is Sugar here. I hope you're doing amazing. I know it's been a minute. I've been sick, so excuse me if I sound a little bit off. But yes, I'm back, and today we're doing another Samsbeauty review. As you guys know, we have done the studio cut series before. This style is DPL-002. So this is the 30-inch version of the wig that we recently did, except for this one I got it in the color FS1B30. Basically it has like a little streaks of like a caramely kind of color. I'll show you in just a minute, but yeah, so let's get into it. Okay you guys, so this is what it's looking like out of the package. And as you can see, those streaks are in there, but they're not over the top, which is kind of my get down. I actually really like those. And as you can see, the part, it's a good deep part. As you know though, with these, there's really no customizing the perimeter, you know, with the baby hair and stuff. They're just kind of meant to put on and go. But this is what it's looking like. It kind of has a tangle-free texture, if you know what that is. It's not 100% silky. It kind of has those textured strands in it. It keeps it from tangling, which I'm not mad at. I also noticed that this one has baby hairs already down, which is different than the other one because it did not have baby hairs at all. So if you really want to lay some, they're kind of already there for you, and they're not a bad length either. I like that they cut them at a good little length. So let's go ahead and put it on. Okay you guys, so this is what it's looking like. As you can see, those baby hairs like I was telling you. I don't know if they go all the way around though. I think they're just in this area right here. Yeah. So the baby hairs stop right here on both sides. It's just here in the front. Okay you guys, so here are my final thoughts. This is a must-have. It has to be in your repertoire. It is affordable, so go get it. It is really nice. I didn't even glue this down, and I glued down everything, like even glueless wigs. I glued them down, and I feel confident enough with this on not to, so that's saying a lot. And really feels good. I mean, I know it's brand new out the package, but this is definitely worth it. I love this one more than the other one. Maybe because it's longer, I don't know, but this one is nice. And it's a really nice natural density. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's giving exactly what it's supposed to give. From top to bottom. You know, I just got a silk press. I don't know what you're talking about. Since this hair is like a tangle-free texture, sometimes with those type of wigs, they're puffy in some areas where they don't have to be. It's not the cap, it's just the hair and the texture of it. So what I did, as you saw me do in the video, just with your hot comb, mine is on 10. Can't do too much with the heat on these synthetics units, but this Andis gets really hot. So 10 is good for this one. Sometimes I can push it to 15. But yes, just go where you want it to be flat. Usually like next to the ears. You don't want it standing out too much. Maybe the back of the head. You know, wherever you think it could be flatter. It will do a ton of good if you do that. And yeah, and like I said, it does have the streaks in it. Can't really notice them. It's maybe when you move around. You can see them a lot more on the ends, if you see what I'm saying. And it's just a really nice peekaboo effect, especially if you're like me and love jet black hair. It's a really nice, I'm doing a little bit of both, you know. So let me set up and show you guys. Like I said, it is 30 inches. So in the front, it's hitting, you know, top of the thigh in the front, and in the back it's hanging good past the butt. No baby hairs, just a part and pretty hair. That's all you need. I know sometimes we get so attached to the baby hairs and the lace and the whole laid thing. Sometimes this is all you need. You know, it looks good. It's simple and it's quick. So don't forget about this one when you are wig shopping. The link will of course be down below. I really love this one. I do recommend it. It's affordable. The texture is good. I do see this one lasting a while. Again, like I said about the other one, it's one, the texture, and two, this kind of hair does so well over time. Like even if it starts to get a little, you know, tizzled on the ends, you can still hit it with the flat iron and keep it going, you know. So I really like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here because girl, I could keep talking about this wig all day. But if you are still hanging around, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell so you know when I'm uploading more content. Girl, share it with your mama, your sister now, your cousins, your stylist, whoever it is, share it, girl. And until next time, stay sweet.